Alright. What's up guys, it's your girl Ieki and I'm back again with another video. Today I have a special guest with me.
Hi everyone, my name is Jahmyeika. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram at Jahmyeika as well.
And you can also go over to my Instagram page and follow me at ieki_. Today we'll be doing a short little video, would you rather. Let's get into this video. First question. Guys, I'm gonna ask Jahmyeika the question them. If me want input, me will input, but she have to answer it. And a life or death, she have to answer everything.
Jesus. Specifically strong.
First
Ready.
question. Would you rather a movie night or a drive around the country?
Drive around the country. That's so romantic. I love to drive out.
Would you rather to do it in an abandoned building or a parking lot?
Parking lot. The car nice. Yeah. As in like outside or in the car?
Outside. Not like in the car.
Abandoned building.
Why?
Enough place I can cock up. Parking lot and
What's the point in the dusty?
Suppose in the haunted.
Why not try to change my mind? Abandoned building mistake.
Would you rather have love or and lost, or have never loved at all?
Have never loved at all.
Why?
I don't love nobody and then last and come break my heart and then me afraid for love again. I don't love none.
Number 4. Would you rather to accidentally send a nude pic to your mom or your boss?
To my boss. My mother?
I think you would have said your mother.
Yes, sir. My boss, one man probably would have said, they would have done something there, But I accidentally send the pic to the boss.
You have to say it accidentally on purpose.
Good.
Ready?
Next one. Would you rather date a madman or a married man?
A married man.
So years bad luck right through.
No, sir. Married man treating nicer than your own man. You still. Not shooting. We never they were a married man.
Don't draw in.
For true, that is facts. See that?
Would you rather? Who say a true?
Ever again.
Would you rather with the lights on or off?
Off.
Why?
No, I prefer it with it off. Nobody are looking at me. I
Ugly.
Would you rather have a rewind button or a pause button on your life?
Pause. What want it for pause for?
Rewind.
Rewind.
Hello, I'm making the video.
Rewind.
Right? Why rewind?
Probably we can, some man when they ever come to me, we can just turn them down now and probably make some changes. Somebody make like mistakes. Yeah.
That's a
You
true.
make a lot. All me try to get the attention. You're quick for understanding.
Would you rather pay to have sex or be paid to have sex?
Be paid. What me I pay for?
I think you hesitate because I wonder.
Right?
Be paid. Send me in the background.
Yeah, but yes. I never experienced it.
Would you rather know when you're gonna die or how you're gonna die?
I want a sticky.
I don't know.
Me would have said no, because if I know, then I go say yeah, the date, then I go do everything what me need to do.
Then again, if you gonna know
but
how,
something have to happen. Bring out my friend there, mo.
I want to know how.
You want to know
Show
how?
yourself.
I don't want to know when, because then time I go fret and probably I'm good at kill
I'm
myself.
not afraid, me I live my life.
Yeah.
I didn't know the day we live life.
Anything happen, just happen.
Me I live my life. Would you rather be a Yamed or a Pretty Downs? Yamed right through. Me not be
Yamed.
no Pretty Downs.
Yam head.
Crazy.
Come here, me currently a yam head. My bin was a yammed.
You want to tell you? And you were?
My bin was a yammed. My bin is a yammed. Or I was.
Yes, still is.
Yeah. I'm currently a yammed, guys. So.
Some go, yeah.
Would you rather be with someone who never showers or never brushes their teeth? Them have to go beard. If them no want brush them teeth, them goggle them throats or something. Something have to go on. They have mouthwash on them, something they for recover. Where you pick?
Stinking mouth, I can't stomach that.
Yeah, but you have things to stinking mouth.
So show you now.
Fronzy.
This really irritates my soul.
What?
I have never done a video. I'm never in there before. So hi guys.
I'm not cut that out.
Mother, they were the man when I be here. But I can spray some strong cologne on it.
Green and
No, man.
cologne no mix.
You know rather use the mouthwash?
No, sir. I mean, like
Mask make. You make him triple of fee mask.
What is the question stating that you cannot change the situation with the mouth?
Them not say that. It's either
Oh, so you
yeah,
can fix
yeah. So it makes sense to just do the mouthwash or something.
Issue.
Cause some
Don't
people
fix
do
it.
brush them teeth and it no make no sense.
Have a commercial break and we'll be right back.
The cheese patty, the patty cheese. And that them call me.
Patty with beef, everybody bow away.
But we nah no beef. We nah no beef.
Power patty, cheese patty.
Power patty beef.
Ready. So, guys, welcome back from the break.
Welcome back from the break. Next question. Would you rather not have sex for 5 years or no social media for 1 year? Me go without social media, but when I forgot bring me to beach and them place to every day.
Yeah.
No, what am I going to bring serious joke about 5 years of no sex? I'm coming a virgin.
Would
But
you
I have
rather
toys still, so no.
toys?
But you're not going to get done after the end of the 5 years. So
5
risk it
years?
all? Hello.
5 years long, though. No, sir. Social media. No social media.
Would you rather more time or more money?
More money.
More time.
I feel more time because within them time them
You
can
can get to make more
yeah.
money and invest.
More money. Me love money. More money.
But
That
if
is why
you
we
have
always
money
get
without time, it makes sense.
You get
That's
that?
why I'm going to hurry up and do the time. The money will make me do the time faster.
That is why
If
we
my
get
bro,
into so much problem.
if my bro,
How always I choose money? And I know so the
Don't
longer
be
time.
like Debbie.
money, me can go Dubai out tomorrow.
Money
Who's Debbie?
Alright, go
One
back.
lady in an African show. Next one.
Ready?
Would you rather do a threesome with your partner or cheat?
Threesome.
You better do the threesome because
Yeah.
It took two and a half.
yeah, some agreement make
Threesome.
right this so I don't want cheat. Would you rather suck your man's toe or break up with him?
Me I left you. Me not put your crying foot in my mouth.
Depends if him
But
have
him
money.
be than them something
Now
other.
I give my pedicure first and clean
Yeah.
everything. And start that
Then
shit.
if she talk about that, then yeah, would suck him too after.
No, you do them something.
Would you rather lick a goat's butt or eat dog meat?
Lick a goat butt.
Goat love shit, you know? You know that?
You can imagine I get one of them little mini chicken balls there.
And you know for them do to come like 40 when them there come out.
Which one you choose?
Which one you choose?
The fuck I'm not in the
You know in a video now. Which one you that choose?
Me I
You
eat the
know
dog
that's
meat.
sticky.
It quite the dog.
Me I eat the dog meat. Clean off the dog nice to me.
Ah, true that. Come let me know if me I eat dog meat and some got
Exactly.
Chinese food.
So mine as well.
Like you Chinese them for cooking.
All of that too. Would you rather lay in a casket for $20 million with a dead body for 20 minutes or skydive with a murderer? You're not supposed to hesitate on the one, yeah?
Me, I let them know they can stick with a dead body and say,
Me?
charge
Me I say go over.
Go.
Me Me I say go over 20 minutes. Me I either
When time you skydive with murder, when I get out of it.
I mean, I know if I'm going to kill me. You know if I want murderer.
$20 million.
But I'm sleep with the dead.
Duh.
20 minutes of my life for the rich.
I'm not sleep with the dead.
Put contribution to
Go see them do him and him dressing good and him they beside a yard thing.
Listen to me go over there. Last question. Would you rather to sleep with your friend or your ex?
Depends on my ex.
fuck you.
Would I sleep with her, you know, but if I want nice ex, yeah.
I'm saying, you call him.
But if I like my last ex, would I sleep with you? Yeah.
How do you feel?
Feel good, can't wait.
You want that trophy?
No more want it.
Go on.
Guys, we have made it to the end of this video. Don't forget to check out our channel, watch all our previous videos. She'll be uploading more videos soon.
Period.
Yeah.
And for the audience, we're here watching. Thank you.
Actually, the commercial breaks to keep you guys entertained.